style. I got the juice like I'm talking the Biggie. Get $5 and I turn them into 50. I'ma be the best with competition, straight winning 40 cal to the beat, cause I'ma be killing, finna murder this track like the nigga Kodak. It's a fallen angel, dressed in black. Call me Grim Reaper cause I'm finna reap your ass. Gone and forgotten cause you never stood a chance. Niggas freezing up cause they just take a glance. Up against the devil but I never take a dance. I never shake his hand cause I never make a deal. H-Town home with a drill for real. Known for the lean and the killer ass pills. Known for the screw, reader H.O. You won't post it up with my nigga Joe. Chillin' with my nigga Fabian cause he's straight up out the motherfucking bin. Let me tell you about my life growing up in situations that weren't always right. Guns to my head at the age of 13. Luckily I kept a couple tricks up my sleeve. Blood was the only thing they wanna see. One phone call and you're dead to me. So back the fuck up, nigga. Quit throwing shade. I'ma have to get the AK and yes I will spray. I know I'm young and I know I'm a kid, living in the devilish world of sin, but I keep my faith in God and I roll one deep, hoping no nigga ever get the blast on me, hoping no nigga ever take me out. Before I go, I wanna make my mother proud, show her I'm different even though I smoke loud, become a Houston legend, what I'm talking about. I'ma bring red back, y'all gon' hear my lyrics and say that you feel that pure fact. Get the gap when you see the 5-0, they be killing niggas for what reason, I don't know. They go to court and just let that shit go. It's a fucked up world that we live in, yeah I know. United we stand, divided we fall. Let's get together and we can win it all. We ball together, we do whatever. Have us feeling good throughout any kind of weather. I'ma do better, but I'ma do me. Give a fuck about a bitch, cause I'm a certified G. It's the A to the B when I hop on the track. Chillin' with my brother, nigga named Hermitag. We fucking with your bitch, cause she love it how we fat. Get the bass hit, now she sucking on the bed. Get the home run, now the whole team done. Pass it back to you, nigga, go get some. I don't want that bitch, cause we hit it like a blunt. You can talk shit, nigga, go ahead and stunt. All you do is front, man, you don't ever listen.